Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 5. Purity, passion, and inertia. These qualities, gunas, O mighty armed, born of Prakriti, bind the indestructible embodied one fast in the body.
Chapter 14, Shloka 5. Sattvam rajastama guna prakriti sambhavaha nibadnanti mahabaho dehe dehinam avyayam.
Chapter 14, Shloka number 5. Lord Krishna explains what the gunas are and how they bind the spirit within matter to create the individualized ego sense in us. A clear understanding of what constitutes the gunas and how they bind us to matter will provide us a way to free ourselves from the clutches of our own imaginations. The embodied self, though indestructible and infinite, in its identification and attachments with the body, feels the changes in the body as its own changes. This delusion is maintained in each one of us by the play of the three gunas in us. The term guna means rope by which the spiritual beauty of life in us is tied down to the inert and insentient matter vestures. Gunas are the three different influences under which every human mind has to play. The concept of sattva is rather that of perfect purity and luminosity, the opposite of darkness called tamas, and distinctly different from the dusky color of rajas. The gunas are born of matter produced by nature, the field. They generate attachment to delude the self and chain it to the cycle of birth and death, of constant change and pain. The gunas have no separate existence as inherent in a substance. They act like different mental climates in which the minds behave so differently from each other according to their moods, controlled by the predominating guna to feel the painful sense of limitation and sorrow. The infinite and all-pervading spirit can never be contaminated by the projections of the delusory world of matter. This delusory is continued as long as the gunas bind it and entangle it to matter. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.